Jesus Christ.
In this body cam video, we're diving into a disturbing incident out of Lansing, Michigan, where a simple task turned into a nightmare for a 12-year-old boy.
My son don't leave the house all day. Why is he in that position?
I came down to throw the trash away and that been he came up and put me in handcuffs.
You won't believe how a child taking out the trash ended up in handcuffs, all because he happened to be in the wrong place, wearing the wrong clothes at the wrong time. Just 22 minutes earlier, Lansing PD had responded to a report of an attempted car theft. Officers arrived on scene and confronted a suspect, but he quickly fled on foot. With limited visual contact and no arrest, the officers issued a general description: white t-shirt, lime green shorts.
You come here for a sec. You, white tee, come here. You got grass and stuff all over you. We're at exactly on the road. Did you just come from?
God, for a year.
All right,
Crazy.
turn around. Nope. Oh, no, he's running. Let's go here. Waverly and Phoenix. Come here to Waverly and Phoenix.
Lime shorts, white shirt. He took his shoes off, but he's got a white t-shirt on and lime green shorts. Too fat.
Dude, my ears are ringing. Oh, shit. Dude, I was trying to intro him so good. His little skinny ass too.
Too fat. Too fat.
Yeah, so. Good, how are you?
I see y'all scouting. What done happened?
Somebody tried to steal a car, took off running this way. If you see somebody pop up, let us know.
Yeah, get them in the house.
Come on. Y'all go in the house. Let's go.
I'm winded.
Oh, that I think I'm good now. He's probably laying down right there in the woods.
This woods, or where does that lead out to?
Straight to the apartment right there.
Oh, man, he's gone. But all right,
Yeah.
we'll give it a try. Where did he run?
Through here somewhere. Through the woods, yep.
All right, let's go this way. Did you hear him trampling through the woods?
No.
I'm gonna be honest, we got smoked.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, let's try through here. Oh, here we go. It's open. So he was running this way and you lost sight of him?
Yeah, so we're at Waverly and Hartford.
Yep.
And he's walking this way. We stop him. Takes off this way, goes down Phoenix.
You saw him run into this wooded area, or which wooded area?
Yeah, straight down Phoenix, and then through the woods where we came through originally.
Okay. He's just not picking anything up over here. Let's just go back over there. All right, we're on something right over here. Did you guys run through here?
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I cut this way.
All right, well, that's you then. So you ran through here, and you saw him going this way?
Yes.
All right, let's see if he finds it over here. He didn't run into this house?
No, she was sitting outside, and I saw her sitting there when I came out the corner.
He did have like an African accent.
He did. They are foreign here. Maybe he did run the house.
Eventually, the search leads them to an apartment complex, and that's when they spot the 12-year-old boy wearing similar clothing, walking back from the dumpster. The boy's father, completely stunned, rushes out of the house, only to find his son in cuffs.
And we got black male with a white shirt.
Turn around for me. Put your hands behind your back. Stay right there, okay? Don't move.
Come here. Sir, come here. Yes, you can talk to me. I'll explain to you what's going on.
Jesus Christ. Can you lean up against the car for me?
Sir.
So what's going on? As we got a call. What, can you listen to me for a second?
What the f is going on in this?
I'm going to put him in your car. Come here.
Oh, I've never done anything. What did they do?
Where are you coming from?
I came down to throw the trash away in that bin, and I was about to walk back over the street, and he came up and put me in handcuffs.
So listen, we have somebody matching your description that stole a car. You're okay. We're not going to hurt you.
Okay.
Okay? But our protocol is to put him in handcuffs because they're juvies, okay? So we need to make sure that you're not that person because they were in this wood.
This is a perfect you. Why have black have to go through trauma like this at all time? It doesn't matter once you're black, you match any description. Bottom line.
What dumpster did you come to?
That one right there.
This one right here? Okay. Once we make sure that that's not you, we'll take you out of handcuffs. Okay?
Yeah, that's him. The one that Stacy got.
Yeah, that's her.
Stacy, the one that you have in your backseat is the one that ran from us.
Are you positive on the ID?
I'm walking up. Let's see his shorts though.
If she IDs them, we're taking them.
But moments later, the original officers arrive, and just like that, they realize they've made a terrible mistake.
I died from a f***ing son. Listen to that.
That ain't him.
No, that's
No? Okay.
Same color shorts.
Do you understand what I told you, bud? Once I get the handcuffs off you, I want to tell you, okay? So you remember how I told you had somebody matching the same description? Unfortunately, you were in the wrong place, wrong time, where he's the same accused, okay? So you match in the same shorts, black juvenile male. That's why you went into cuffs, to make sure that you weren't the person, okay? Now that we don't know, okay, we're going to release you to Dad. We apologize that you had a bad experience with us, okay? But do you understand why we did that? Okay. All right. I'll go talk to him.
That's not him. It's not him?
Literally the same colored lime shorts and the white shirt.
Hair just like that too. He's foreign.
But it's not. This isn't the kid. Huh?
Can you call Sergeant Jack for me, please?
The sergeant's right here.
Sergeant's here, but can we explain to you what happened?
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have three.
Let's reason. Okay, come on, let's reason. You all have kids, right?
I'm the sergeant.
I'm not asking about
Okay.
your position in this. Do you have kids?
I have a child, yes.
You have a child. I'm in the kitchen washing up dishes, right? I said, son, can you take, Jesus Christ, can you take the garbage down?
Okay.
He said, yes, Dad. You bring the garbage down. I'm saying, how is he down here so long?
Okay.
I walk out with a bowl of yogurt and food to eat. I see him with the police. I'm shocked out of my life. Why is he in that position? My son don't leave the house all day. You see this kid? Every one of you would love to have a kid like this.
Can we explain to you what happened today, sir?
I understand. But my thing is, when you put a kid like this, who's not a street kid, in this kind of a situation, it traumatized him.
Does he speak English?
Of course he speaks English. He's a straight A student, science and maths.
This officer right here was just chasing somebody. It was a kid wearing yellow shorts and a light colored shirt. Literally just right through here.
Right here at the corner.
Because he got away. He was in the woods, all right? That was the last place we saw him, was up in the woods. When you were out here walking around, somebody just detained you, okay? You were detained. And I'm sorry that was scary for you, okay? This officer came and looked at you and was like, that was not the kid. Which is why you're now out of handcuffs and you're all set, okay?
Yeah, but
because
can we go back to, I don't mean to cut you, but can we go back to what you just said? You said the officer said you run in the woods.
Yep.
That's
that
the
was
woods
the last
over there.
place we saw him.
That's the woods over there.
That was the last place we saw him.
He's coming down there with a garbage bag. Now the direction all changed. The dimension,
it's not that far away.
all, it doesn't matter. He's not.
I really don't
he's not
want to
an
argue.
I'm not arguing. You see, that's the thing about police officers. When you're talking to them and you're laying facts.
You're not even letting me speak.
That was the same thing a state trooper pulled me over one time, and he's going to tell me my glass is tinted. I said to him, how did you know my glass is tinted? I said, did I look over you when I was passing? He says, yes.
We have somebody that we would like to go apprehend right now, and it's not your child. So I really don't want to subject him to any more of this. He's not the person we're looking for.
He already subject to what you all expose him to.
I can't undo that. I cannot undo that.
I understand
We're trying to do our job.
But I'm glad you didn't kill him.
Somebody is out here.
I'm glad you didn't kill him, because that's your objective. A lot of you.
You have a great day.
I'm gonna let you live as it is. That's what it is.
You have a great day.
You're
You're making this worse for him.
How you mean making worse for him?
I'm trying to talk to him. Did you see how I just spoke to him?
You said if he speak English.
I'm
How
not.
do you mean? Is he a mute? Is he a mute?
Lansing PD and the city's mayor have since issued formal apologies, and the family is considering legal action. Let us know in the comments, was this a justifiable mistake or a failure in basic police protocol?